I can admit I'm guilty of it, and you're probably guilty of it too, watching those gardeners from the warmer states showcase their big box stores with all the plants, bulbs, and flowers. But let's face it, I live in a colder zone, and my big box store doesn't have any of those inventory because it's just too cold. And while watching those videos, I admit, is very inspiring, it is kind of So in this video, I'm going to show you what you can get now if you live in a colder climate like myself, so you don't just have to admire, but you can do something now and see what's at your big box store. Could it be? Could it be? Is that fruit trees that I'm finally seeing here in the Northeast after being buried in more than 2 feet of snow here at Home Depot? We are finally getting in some plants, bulbs, and flowers. And if you live in a cold climate like myself, apples to grow is the best thing to do because they're really good for our climate. They have tart cherries, and they have the sweet cherries. This is at least a 3 to 4 or 5 gallon pot, and you want to dig a big hole when it comes to planting your fruit trees. You want to put it in full sun, not in a shady area. They also have plums, guys. They have plums, different types of plums. They got the Espalier apple, and this one is $110. You can see that has a different type of grafting and shape. And they also have the combination Espalier pear. They got dwarf apple Granny Smith, so I'm definitely looking at getting this because I want something that is a smaller variety. So they have a whole host of smaller trees if you don't have the space. And this is $69.98. Another dwarf variety, the dwarf apple combo. This is something that I would definitely get. It has a whole bunch of different apples, so you just don't get one type of apple, you get a whole variety of different mixes of apples. If you're not into fruit trees, you can always get a weeping pussy willow for $110 in this big sizable pot. Just take a look at the pussy willows. Now this is great for our climate. They love cold, brisk air like we have here in New York. Get yourself to Home Depot just to take a look at what inventory you have, because do so. Take a look at this full shelf of berries, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries. Oh my goodness, they have all the bare roots here. I'm just so happy. Most of them are going for $17.98. Now, how I pick, I look to see if it is nice and sturdy. Sometimes I even do the scratch test to see if there is any green there, and you can see right there, it's green right there. So that's a good stem. I also look to see if there's any plants growing. That's a good sign that this is a viable box. You want to look for a lot of green like this right here. This is perfect. They have so many varieties of potatoes. Just take a look. They have the golden potato, purple potatoes. Oh my goodness, they have so many choices to choose from. And I love this one. This is $14.98, and it comes with a different blend. You can see all the blends here. Now, this is something that I would definitely pick up. I think this is the best buy because you get so much of a variety. You have 16 seed potatoes, red, white, and blue. And we got some delicious strawberries. This is Eversweet and Eclair. So this is one of my favorite sections, the Dahlia section. We have the Cafe au Lait and the Vancouver. And this is 3 bulbs for $14.98. Guys, when it comes to picking your bulbs, just make sure that you examine the bag. You want to move it around to make sure that the soil, the potting soil, is still fresh. And you even want to squeeze to make sure that none of the bulbs are squishy. The bulbs should be nice and firm. If you want more of a solid color, they have Arabian Night and Orion. They have the Big Red, and you get 2 bulbs for $10.98. Then they have the Black Touch, which is beautiful. This pink striped one, bristle stripe. this crazy love variety and this Lady Deline. And we all like to get a little funky. Tahiti Sunrise, and last but not least, Highlands Princess. And guys, really quick, I just wanted to give you a look at our garden section, the outdoor section. Doesn't it look pitiful? But just take a look at all this snow here outside in the garden section. We still haven't cleared the snow, but hopefully in the next couple of weeks, all these shelves will be filled with flowers, bulbs, and shrubs. In my opinion, this by far is the most popular Dahlia series, the Lavender Perfection and the Pretty Preen. And it's because it's pink and it looks like almost like a cafe au lait. You can see that they have really nice, healthy roots. And if I squeeze it, yes, nice and firm. And the good part about it is that these bulbs feel very big. They're not scrawny bulbs at all. This will cost you $14.98 for 3 bulbs. Here's the Fringe Star and Star Elite. Yes, that will definitely make a statement in your garden. I love the ruffled edges. Love peonies. I have a peony garden and I have about 30 peonies. Now the thing about peonies, they come with bare roots. Now make sure when you do get a peony, don't bury the roots deep. If you bury the roots deep, it's not going to flower. Now the peony for this is $14.98 for 2 roots. They love to be in full sun. If you have them in full sun, you'll get more blooms. If you have them in a shady area, you won't get as many blooms. But one bare root can produce maybe 20 blooms on one stem. So again, make sure you also have them in well-draining soil. But you should know that this is going to take a while. If you get a peony, it's going to take a while. It's not going to bloom that same year. It's like you sleep, you creep, and then you leap. It meaning that it's not going to perform for you the first year. Then you may get something the second year. By the 3rd year, you'll have a full peony bush. So if you want to skip that, the best be mature. Pink and yellow calla lilies, which don't grow in my area, but if you do live in a zone 8 and above, this is a perfect flower for you. They have 5 bulbs for $14.98. And the specs on this is that it requires full sun to part shade, blooms late spring, perfect for pots. Calla lilies are absolutely perfect for pots, and they make great cut flowers. I love when the package comes in a see-through pack because that way you can actually see the bulbs. These bulbs look pretty nice. I don't see any mold on them. So again, when you are choosing your bulbs, just don't pick them up. Look at them, examine them, sometimes even smell them to see if they're moldy. That's what I do to make sure that they are healthy. I know when it comes to daylilies, sometimes they don't get their love, but they are perfect for beginners, especially if you're starting to garden. They are perennials, meaning that they come back year after year. They are drought tolerant and they don't require that much sun. They can actually bloom in low shade. The gladiolus are 24 bulbs for $14.98. If you are in a colder zone, you may struggle with these type of bulbs because they are not perennials where I live. But I got them to be perennials when I put them in full sun and I mulch them. I have a side garden and I'm always hunting for plants that love shade. A hardy fern is one of them. This is the Christmas and cinnamon fern you can see right here. And they come with 4 roots for $14.98. So if you have a shady area, ferns are fantastic. It definitely brightens up your space. Now this is a bag that I don't like because you can't see what's in it. But again, I'm going to do the squeeze test and it feels nice and firm. Also make sure that the amount that it says on the package is actually what's in the bag. So I sometimes also do that. I'll feel around to make sure that there are actually 4 in here. Rudbeckia purple mangus and green twister. I love it. 5 roots for $14.98. Now the best part about Rudbeckia, their seeds, once it dries up, are perfect for wildlife, birds, particularly now in the winter. This is a great source of food for them. And on top of that, it looks absolutely stunning in your garden. And it's drought tolerant. We got caladiums, 5 bulbs for $10.98. The Blaze variety, which it has that beautiful red interior center with the green on the outside, and a deeper one, White Queen, which I actually grew this and it looks exactly like the picture. If you're looking for something different, you can always go with elephant ears. This package is 3 for $10.98. It's good in full sun to partial shade, blooms during the summertime to fall foliage, perfect for pots, and is great for borders. Now, if you want the big ones, these are not the big ones, these are the medium-sized ones. Just remember when you are placing them in pot that you put them in well-draining soil, because they do rot pretty easily. The way to figure out how to put them in the pot or the ground, the pointy side goes up, but if you are not sure, you can always lay it on its side and the bulb will figure it out. So guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. I wanted to continue, but there's not enough space on my tape, so there will be a part 2 to this because we have so much more here at Home Depot that I did not show you. So stay tuned to part 2. Again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and share it with your family and friends. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye-bye. I'm going to keep looking meanwhile. Yes, because there are so much here to see. See you later, guys.